Hello amazing moms! Breast pumping can be easier with the right habits and support. Choose a breast pump that fits your daily routine. Electric pumps are helpful for frequent pumping, while manual pumps work well for occasional use. Pump around the same times your baby feeds. This helps your body understand how much milk to make. Consistency is more important than long pumping sessions. Make sure you are using the correct flange size to avoid discomfort. Sit comfortably and take slow breaths while pumping. Staying hydrated and eating balanced meals supports milk production. Even short pumping sessions can be effective when done regularly. Pumping is a form of breastfeeding. Your effort and care make a difference every day.